Hey guys, it's Rita. Today I'm participating in a challenge. It is called the Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge. It is hosted by Christina with the DIY Mommy. I will link Christina's channel below along with the playlist so you can see what all the other creators have come up with today. Christina does some amazing things on her channel, so please be sure to check her out and be sure to check out that playlist. I know you will find tons of creative DIYs that will help you get your home ready for the holiday season. Without further ado, let's get right to mine. So, I'm going to be starting out with several items. I'll be using these candy canes, this gold branch. I'll be using some greenery, pine cones, ribbon, a lot of things that I'll just be grabbing from around the house, ornaments. Anyway, this kind of gives you an idea. There will be quite an assortment of items that I'll be using. So here are the few items I'll be using. I decided not to go with that gold branch. It just didn't work out. I'll just let you watch what I do and listen to music, and I'll jump in from time to time. Now I'm just kind of laying things out, trying to get an idea of how I want this to look. But I would like to take a moment to invite you guys to my Thrift It to Gift It collaboration. I'll put a link above and below in the description box so you can check it out. The upload date for it is December 3rd. I've been doing this quarterly since summer. This collab will be the special Christmas edition. So if you're able to join, check out that video and I'd love to see you there. Now that I've got the front part laid out, I'm going to remove everything, zip tie the candy canes together. I will use a little hot glue on them. And then the bigger branches I will also zip tie to the candy canes and finish decorating it. I was inspired to do this DIY from a picture that my daughter sent me. She had found this on Pinterest and asked if I could create it. So we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so now I'm going to remove everything that's loose, and I'm going to take the bigger branches and zip tie them on. Then I'll be using some hot glue to place the other decorations on here. Then I'll be making a bow and displaying it for you. And here's what we have so far. We'll be using a chalkboard to place at the bottom. I'm going to go around it with some red and white twine. I just want it to cover up that zip tie at the bottom, and then I'll make a bow for the top. And now I'm going to be using one of the pipe cleaners and attaching it to the back of the chalkboard. That way I can tie it around the candy cane. So I'll use a lot of hot glue on this and set it aside to dry. And the display is coming up. Okay guys, here it is. I think it turned out really, really cute. I'm pleased with it, and I hope you enjoyed the DIY. I would like to thank Christina for hosting today, and I can't wait to see what all the other creators have come up with. So be sure to check out Christina's channel as well as the playlist. I would like to thank my subscribers for your continued support. Thank you so much to everyone who's watching tonight. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you join my family. It's free. Don't forget to like the video, and I will see you in my next video.